Welcome to Engineering Exploration course project. I am Mukund Desai. Let me introduce to our teammates. They are Prem, Sunidhi, Rajeshwari and Irfan. We are all are working under the guidance of Madhu ma'am. We had done a project on agriculture mechanization, that is technical improvement in agriculture field. Based on this, we have done project on compost mixing and dispensing. Let us see our need statement. A house owner appoints laborer to apply compost to pots. He wants to reduce the cost of wages for laborers, so he wishes to go for compost mixing and dispensing. After gathering information like objective, functions, and constant, we came up with a problem definition. That is a design of semi-automatic compost mixer and dispenser, where the machine will be dispensing the dry components and should be user-friendly. The machine should not exceed 5 kg of weight and 1 cubic meter of volume. The budget of machine should be nearly 4,000 rupees, and machine will be sensing the pots and dispensing the compost and can be used for both fertilizer as well as compost. And efficiency of machine will be 2 plants per minute. Let us see the function trees. There are 3 main functions: mixing the compost, sensing the pot, and dispensing. In mixing the compost, it should accept the compost, mix it in the container, and store it for the further process. In sensing unit, sensing before dispensing, sensing after dispensing. In dispensing function, dispense the compost to the pot, stop the process after indication. We have identified 3 subsystems. They are mixing unit, sensing unit, and dispensing unit. Considering functions, objectives, and constraints, we have come up with some designs. When we select a design, we have to look for safety, ease of use, portability, and use of standard parts. In first design, there is no safety because the container is open. In second, there is a chance of collapse and the working of machine is too complex. In third, there is a chance of collapse and it costs more because wireless connections and rotating mover are used. After looking all these designs, we have selected this design because it is safe as the blades are covered inside the container. There is portability and use of standard parts like conveyor belt, and we can also use recycle parts. So we selected this design.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Prem. I am here to explain our virtual implementation 3D model of our course project compost mixing and dispensing. Virtual implementation. This is the 3D model of our course project compost mixing and dispensing. It consists of several systems which are assembled together to get this product, that are mixer box, gearbox, main base, wheels, upper supply box. First, mixer box. This mixer box consists of blade, upper supply gate and a dispensing gate. The upper supply gate helps us to get the components like compost, mud and coco peat. These 3 components fall into this chamber and the blade present in this chamber mixes these 3 components. The gate at this side will help us to dispensing the mixture. Gearbox. In this gearbox we have placed Arduino, DC motors, etc. There are slits present over here and holes present over here, so that we can use crank mechanism and pulley rope mechanisms. This is the upper supply box, in which we have three compartments where we will store coco peat, compost and mud. We have 3 holes at the bottom of this box where compost, coco peat and mud will fall from. This is the main base and wheels, where it helps us in locomotion of our model throughout the field or anywhere it is used.
This is Sunidhi Joshi. Continuing the presentation on virtual implementation. This is the circuit diagram of the entire system. It includes 4 DC motors and an IR sensor connected to the Arduino. The DC motors are connected to the upper supply gates, mixer blade, main gate and conveyor belt respectively. This is the flowchart of the entire system. At first, the DC motor starts rotating and components fall in the main container, and the mixer blade connected to the DC motor starts rotating. The compost mixture mixes. If the IR sensor detects the pots, the motor of the main gate starts rotating and the main gate opens and the compost mixture is disposed in the pots. If the IR sensor does not detect the pots, the main gates remain closed. This is the bill of materials required for the entire system. Gearbox, mixer container, mixer blades, small containers, small pipes, DC motors, adapter, microcontroller, pulley, conveyor belt, and an IR sensor. After doing the motor sizing of the entire system, we observe that the RPM of the blade motor should be 60 RPM, the RPM of the large containers should be 150 RPM. For the supply gates, we need a DC motor of 100 RPM, and for the conveyor belts, we need a DC motor with RPM 200. After doing the battery sizing, we observe that we need a battery of 0.225 ampere hour. The functional specification of the entire system are as follows. The functions include opening of small container valves, mixing of compost, rotating of the conveyor belt, sensing of the pots, conveyor belt stops, opening of the main mixer valve, indicate process completion. Hello everyone, I am Suniti Joshi. I am presenting the explanation for the modeling and simulation. For our project, compost mixer and dispenser, we need 4 DC motors, an IR sensor and a 9-volt battery. The first motor is for the upper supply gates, which is connected to 3 small gates which contains compost, coco peat and soil. The second motor is of the mixing blade, which is enclosed in the main container to mix the components. The third DC motor is of the mixer box gate, that is the main gate which dispenses the mixture into the pot when IR sensor senses it. The fourth DC motor is connected to the conveyor belt where the small pots are placed. The DC motor of the upper supply gates is connected to the output pins 8 and 7 of Arduino. The DC motor of the mixing blade is connected to the output pins 6 and 5 of Arduino. The DC motor of the main gate is connected to the output pins 4 and 3 of Arduino. The IR sensor is connected to the input pin 11 of Arduino. Now, when we start simulation, we observe that during the first second, the upper supply gate is kept open so that the components fall into the main container and the conveyor belts keep on moving. For the next 5 seconds, we observe that the mixer blade rotates so that the components mix inside the container and the rest all motors are kept off. When the IR sensor detects the pots for the next 4 seconds, the mixing blade keeps on rotating, the main gate is kept open, the conveyor belt stops for next 4 seconds and the mixture is dispensed in the pots. The upper supply gate is also kept off. When the IR sensor doesn't detect the pots, the conveyor belt keeps on moving. The code of our project is Thank you.